Poof. So, you may be wondering, how do animals talk to each other? It's simple. We talk just like humans. Well, not exactly. You see, like humans, animals communicate by three main approaches: vocalization, body language, and chemical signals. You see, we animals keep our communication very simple. Unlike humans, we don't exaggerate what we have to do. For example, humans, when they're mad, they express it in their face and state it in their voice. Humans are also naturally curious and will further express their anger in elaborate arguments. But for animals, we show it, and the communication is straightforward. We don't have to explain what happened because we find it unnecessary. Why make it complicated? But it doesn't mean our communication is not complex. Let's just start with vocalization. Like humans, some animals vocalize what they want. A lot of vocal animals have certain signals that represent a type of calling, such as alarm signals, mating calls, or calls that are used to gather information for food or water sources. It is widely accepted that even though animals' vocalization is not constructed, their sentence structure, it has similar structure to human speech. Next is body language. Probably the most important of all forms of communication. Essentially, we express how we feel similar to humans. It is also the most accurate and effective way in showing our behavior. Like vultures circling around its prey. Or a dog pointing its nose at something. Or using eye contact in order to identify who you're talking to. Or using your body stature to show intimidation. Or to show off in that courtship ritual dance. What? Moving on. Another important aspect of animal communication is chemical signals. That's right, pheromones. Pheromones are a chemical substance usually produced by animals that enact a certain behavior within the animal species. Some of these signals include attract a mate, alert danger, signal existence of food, mark territory, track prey, identify family members, or to show dominance. Although this sounds like basic stuff, animal communication varies from different species and can be very complicated if you're not an animal of that species. Which leads us to why we are focusing on marine animals. 'Cause that's our specialty.